Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fresh pasta from scratch. First, gather your essential ingredients: all-purpose flour, fresh eggs, and a pinch of salt. A good rule of thumb is to use 2 large eggs for every 100 grams of flour. Make sure your kitchen counter is clean and spacious, as you'll need plenty of room for kneading the dough. This simple recipe yields enough pasta for about 2 to 3 servings, perfect for a cozy meal. Now let's get our hands dirty. On your clean surface, create a well in the center of your flour mound. Crack the 2 large eggs directly into this well, adding a small pinch of salt. Using a fork or your fingertips, gradually incorporate the flour from the edges into the eggs. Once a shaggy dough forms, begin kneading it firmly for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth, elastic, and bounces back slightly when pressed. After kneading, it's crucial to let your dough rest. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and allow it to sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is vital as it allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much easier to roll out. Once rested, divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Now, using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, roll each portion very thinly, aiming for a thickness of about 1 millimeter. Consistency is key here for even cooking. Finally, it's time to shape and cook your beautiful fresh pasta. Lightly dust your thinly rolled pasta sheets with a little flour to prevent them from sticking together. Then, cut them into your preferred shapes, whether that's classic fettuccine, wider tagliatelle, or broad pappardelle. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Fresh pasta cooks incredibly quickly, so drop it in and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes until it's perfectly al dente. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.